Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 3. The diagram shows two straight lines intersecting two parallel lines. Find the value of x and the value of y. We'll find angle x and angle y using corresponding angles and alternate interior angles or vertically opposite angles. So let's get started. In this question we are given with two angles. One is 45 degree and other is 65 degrees. We need to find the angle x and angle y. Let's focus on the two horizontal parallel lines and the one straight line intersecting them. The angles in this case have special relationships. The green highlighted angles are the corresponding angles which are always equal. So both of these will be 65 degrees. Now look at the other straight line intersecting the same parallel lines. The created angles in this case also have special relationships. The red highlighted angles are the corresponding angles which are always equal. So both of these will be of 45 degrees. Now let's find out the x, the three angles highlighted in the diagram measuring 45 degrees. X degrees and 65 degrees form a straight line. Angles on a straight line always add up to exactly 180 degrees. So we set up our equation, 45 degrees plus x degrees plus 65 degrees equals 180 degrees, which ultimately results in x equals to 70 degrees. Now it's time to find y. Again, we have the same situation of straight line, so the angles highlighted measuring y degrees, 45 degrees and 70 degrees, will add up to exactly 180 degrees. So our equation will be y plus 45 plus 70 equals to 180 degrees. Solving the equation gives a result of y is equal to 65 degrees. Although we have solved the question, but let us explore another way to find out the value of y. The lines highlighted in red are two straight lines crossing each other, so the red highlighted angles will be vertically opposite angles which are always equal. So y will be equal to 65 degrees. Excellent! We have solved the question that x is 70 degrees and y is equal to 65 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.